Are you feeling stressed out? Is searching on the internet for solutions making you even more stressed out? You know, we all have stress in our lives, and we all know how much better we feel, both emotionally and physically, when we find natural remedies that genuinely bring us relief. Imagine if what brings you relief from stress could be easy to use every single day and smell amazing. I'm going to show you how 5 beautiful essential oils can significantly reduce your stress. I'm going to show you recipes that are easy to make and easy to use. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget. I'm founder of Aromahead Institute. And in this video, I want to show you how to make 2 stress-relieving inhalers that I think you're going to absolutely love. We're going to focus on 5 different essential oils, and then we're going to combine them differently. Okay, so our first oil is frankincense, which is a classic for relieving stress. Of course, all 5 oils I chose are great at relieving stress. Frankincense can really help you get centered, deepen your breath. It's very soothing. And then cedarwood. Now, cedarwood is one of my favorites. It is very grounding, very settling. It's a deep bass note aroma that will help you really feel like you're on the ground, like you're in a forest even, with those great trees that help you feel grounded. Okay, and then we've got the precious neroli. Neroli is made from the orange blossoms, and it is floral and exotic and soothing and very calming. Its chemistry really helps our nervous system to calm down, okay? And then we've got the beautiful bergamot. Bergamot is made from the bergamot oranges, from the rind of the oranges. And bergamot is classic for depression. It's very uplifting. It's very emotionally joyful. It's a bright oil, and I love using it in an inhaler especially. And then lastly, we've got Ylang Ylang. Now, I happen to have a Ylang Ylang tree right out front of my house, and it is big and it produces hundreds of flowers. And let me tell you, you can smell those flowers from a block away. And the aroma is so calming. It's very settling. It's very floral and sweet and can just bring you like a sense of, you know, being wrapped in something beautiful in nature, these gorgeous flowers. So those are the 5 oils we're going to use, all great for stress, and I'm going to make 2 different inhalers with you. Now, the inhalers are fun. You can choose any color that you like, and they are very easy to make. They have 2 main parts, the cover and the part that you inhale, and then they have these wonderful organic cotton wicks that you just put in, and you drop the essential oils onto the wick. And then they have a little cap, a little cover that you can put on and snap closed, and that holds everything together, okay? And you can also mix and match colors on the bottom. I love to do this. Like, I just grab whichever cap I feel like goes great with the color I'm using, and fun. All right, so the first one we're gonna make is called Floral Ease, okay? Can you guess which oils we're gonna use? We're gonna use the 3 that have more of a floral aroma. Well, really, neroli and ylang ylang are very floral, but then bergamot brings this citrusy gorgeousness in, and I love the combination. So we'll grab those 3 oils, and we'll start with the bergamot. And it's 7 drops of bergamot, so I'm just gonna put 7 drops right into the inhaler. And those went right on top of the cotton. That works really well. You could also make this in a small dish and then rub the cotton around in it and put it into the inhaler. That's nice too if you don't know your recipe, and I use tweezers so I don't get the oils all over my hands. And next we have 5 drops of neroli. First of all, that bergamot, wow, so uplifting. And then of course the floral neroli added to it, beautiful. So 5 drops of the neroli right in with the bergamot. And there, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, came kind of fast, but we got it. All right, And then lastly, we've got our Ylang Ylang. We only need 3 drops of Ylang Ylang because it is so strong. And more than that, it could be actually overwhelming. I can smell it just opening the bottle and the whole room. It's very diffusive. It will spread through the whole room. I love it. It's so beautiful. So we need 3 drops of Ylang Ylang. And it's coming. There we go. I'm just moderating it a little bit. Let's see. Oh, here we come. It's taken its time. It's so fun to watch that little drop about to come out. There we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, good. Sometimes there's a little air bubble in there and it takes a minute to come out, but you still have to really watch it carefully. All right, now we have our incredible floral ease. I'm going to use a blue cap for the bottom. So you just press it in and then you're set. And then you can just stick it in your pocket, carry it around with you in a bag. And any time that you're feeling stressed, you can use it. And if you're a fan of floral aromas, you're going to love this one. But let's say you're not a fan of floral aromas. Let's say you like something deeper, more grounded of an aroma that will really quiet you. Okay, so this is our blend. It's called So Over This Stress. Okay, so I'm going to make it in this yellow inhaler. Put my cotton in, and then this one has frankincense, cedarwood, and again we've used the neroli. Okay, so the frankincense, cedarwood, and neroli. I can't really resist neroli. I love the aroma that it brings into blends. Now, frankincense is a resin oil. It's very grounded and balsamic and just opens up your breath. It's fantastic. So we're going to do 7 drops of frankincense. 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. And it's going right on the cotton. And then we're going to do 5 drops of cedarwood. Frankincense and cedarwood are beautiful together. They really balance each other. It's like they're good friends. They resonate really well together. Now, cedarwood comes out more slowly, so I can turn it upside down. And that's simply because it's thicker. The oils are all different viscosities, all different thickness and thinnesses. So how's that for a word, thinnesses? Okay, and then our neroli, right? 3 drops of neroli. Okay. And it's coming there. Now the neroli is going to bring a beautiful floral aroma to this blend, but it won't overwhelm the groundedness of the frankincense and cedarwood. Okay, I'm going to just tap the top because that will remove any possible air bubble, and there it is. 1, 2, 3. All right, we did it. Great. I love when I'm doing videos and the oils don't just come out perfectly, because that's just the realistic way that they are all different. Sometimes they come out quickly, sometimes they take a second to get going. All right, and then let's use a purple top for this one. And then, now that is very calming and very opening to your breath and very emotionally grounding. So if you're feeling anxious along with the stress, this would be a great one for you. All right, well, I hope you enjoy these recipes. And if you make them and you love them, come back to the channel and comment in the comment section. I love reading your comments, and I always answer any questions and all comments. It makes me really happy. And if you want to know more about how to use essential oils in your everyday life, I've created a very popular class at Aromahead Institute. It's called Aromatherapy for Natural Living. And in that class, you'll learn things like essential oil safety, you learn remedies for common issues for babies, for children, of course for adults, and how to create very practical but also very luxurious blends, that aromatherapy blends that you can start using right away, and so much more. I give you data sheets and I make videos. It's a really great class. I'll put the link in the description below so you can take it, you can click on it and check it out. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye for now.